Hi. A nightingale sang in Trafalgar Square. I've seen some unexpected sights, but none more odd this year than anti-mask protesters shouting freedom with a cheer. No to masks, vaccines and second wave, seemingly oblivious at the contradictions between those three and how together they might influence that. In the cold light of the day, they may rue that they were there, if they booked their place in the Nightingale as they sang in Trafalgar Square. Thank you.